Planning to travel in Europe, but still unsure if you need to rent a car, fly by plane, or ride a bus or train? Use the EURAIL Pass and travel by train. It's the cost effective way, especially if you're traveling with your family. Plus, you'll get treated with some of the most scenic view across Europe. In our first part of our EURAIL Pass guide, we covered the topics of why it's a great option and what are the types of EURAIL Pass. Here are just some of the many advantages of using the EURAIL Pass. Number 1. Cost effectiveness. Save on long distance travel between EU countries. EURAIL passes can be cost effective for long distance and cross border journeys compared to buying individual tickets. Children under 12 travel for free when accompanied by an adult with a EURAIL pass. It's perfect for traveling families with kids below 12 years of age. Convenience. One pass covers multiple countries, eliminating the need to buy separate tickets for each country. And you only need the EURAIL Pass app. It provides you with a QR code that is scanned on all the train and train stations. Another thing that we really love when traveling by train is we avoid the hassle of airport security and check-in procedures. You also enjoy more spacious seatings and the ability to move around freely on the train. Number 3. Flexibility. Euro passes allows unlimited travel on the rail networks of participating countries within the validity period of the pass. Travelers can change their plans spontaneously without the need for advance booking, as the majority of the trains does not require reservations. Those are just some of the many benefits of using the EURAIL Pass. In this next part of this video, I will show you on how easy it is to use the EURAIL Pass app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the app. Create an account, and if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your information and create a new account. Log in after creating your account. Activate your pass. If you haven't activated your pass yet, you'll need to do so. This typically involves entering your pass number and possibly some personal details like your name. Once you activated the pass in your app, you can load it in your app. Follow the prompts to link your EURAIL pass to the app. Now here comes the fun part, planning your trip. Use the app to search for train schedules. Enter your departure and destination stations, as well as the date and time of travel. The app will display available trains. You can view details such as departure times, travel duration, and whether reservations are required. Some trains require reservations, which you can book directly through the app or via the EURAIL website. Note that reservations often comes with an additional fee. You can also use filters to find trains with different criteria. For example, train journeys that don't require reservation, or journeys with longer transfer times between trains. Add your journey to your trip. If you haven't created a trip, you can do it now. You can view your trip via the map or as a list. You can also edit, add, or delete journeys on your trip. Once you decided on a train, add the trip to your pass. This will create a digital travel diary within the app. If you have a flexible pass, you need to activate travel days. This can be done in the app before boarding the train. The EURAIL Pass app has a lot of additional features that will make your travel a lot easier. Aside from its awesome and easy to use planner and convenient QR code ticketing system, here's some of the additional features that I really like. Manage your group's trip. You don't need to have one EURAIL Pass app per person in your group, whether you're a family or friends traveling together. One person can manage all your EURAIL Pass using just one app. You can send your family or friends ticket as a QR code screenshot. It's super convenient if you have a toddler or a senior traveling with you. Station information. Use the app to find additional information about train stations, including amenities and connections. Offline mode. The app has an offline mode which allows you to view your ticket and travel plans without an internet connection. Download the necessary data while you have Wi-Fi access. Discounts and benefit. EURAIL Pass holders gets various discounts that you can view on the app via the More page. Click on the benefits link to view all the participating companies that offer discounts. If you're in Interlaken, don't miss out the free, again it's free, BLS Lake Cruise included in your pass. Now, are you ready to sign up for a EURAIL Pass? Travel through Europe with the most scenic views in a more relaxing way via the EURAIL Pass. Check out the EURAIL Pass website link in the description below, and I hope that this video has helped you with your decision with EURAIL Pass. If you have more questions about the EURAIL Pass, just leave a comment below. Thanks, and please like and subscribe.